Hey guys, all right, today we're checking out a property that's in Riberas, and it is more of a modern build, but it's got the boveda ceilings that everybody loves and wants when they buy a house here in Mexico. Well, in Lake Chapala especially. And the best thing about it is the price. The price is fantastic. The second best thing about it is when you walk into the house, the chandelier, the custom made chandelier in the living room. I'm like, whoa, oh my God. Like every room needs that, okay? So it's fantastic. And I don't want to go into too much detail about our bed and breakfast and our cafe today because I feel like a broken record. But if you want to check out our bed and breakfast and our cafe, you can go to my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you'll find a link to the bed and breakfast, the cafe, and our local MLS if you want to check out our inventory. And then you can go to the contact form to start a dialogue with me if you are looking to buy property or sell property in this area. And we can get you started on all of that. And that's enough. Let's go check out this beautiful and even more excellently priced home. This home is priced at $305,000 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 242 square meters or 2,504 square feet. The lot size is 286 square meters or 3,078 square feet. There is no HOA because it is not in a gated community. It comes furnished at that price, and it is located in Riberas del Pilar. All right, the house we're checking out today is this one right here. You've got your garage, little courtyard, and then the house here. This is in Riberas as well as the rest of the videos we're doing this week. For any of you new people, if maybe you're seeing this video for the first time, my videos for the first time, you're right on the border of Riberas and San Antonio. So that's kind of nice because you've got all of this part of the highway here, a lot of bazaars with secondhand furniture, and the furniture is in excellent condition. You can find some antiques through there. Very nice area to do some shopping for your home. Hospital San Antonio is right here. Pretty nice hospital. there. They have MRI imaging and CAT scans, and yeah, one-stop shop for everything, except I don't believe that they do surgery there. That possibly they do. You might have to go to Guadalajara for that, but I've never had to have surgery there, and I don't know of anyone else who has either. I think you have to make an appointment for a much larger hospital in Guadalajara, but this is probably the largest hospital here, Lakeside. As for dining, La Paseña's excellent seafood. Adelita Bar and Grill is very good. And San Antonio is very known for being very walkable. So you could walk right over here to this town. There's a lot of businesses scattered throughout the neighborhood. Riberas is a little bit more suburban style living. And you're kind of just a hop skipping away from everything else. Like, you're kind of centrally located. So you could go over here to Chapala. You can go over here to San Antonio. There's a Walmart and AutoZone right here and a mall right here with a movie theater. And then you just scoot over and you're already in Ajijic. And this is the Libramiento right here that will take you into Guadalajara. So yeah, good area. To get from this house to the hospital is a 2-minute drive. So if you ever have an emergency, that's very convenient. The ambulances can get to you very, very quickly. To get to Ajijic Centro from this house would be a 13-minute drive. And today is a Sunday at 3:15 p.m. And so there's going to be a little bit of traffic through here. To get from this house to Chapala Centro is a 10-minute drive. From this house to Guadalajara International Airport is a 48-minute drive. Not bad to go anywhere in the world. All right, guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you all have an excellent weekend, and I will see you next week for a new round of videos. If you want to see more properties on this price range, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe, you can click right here. And I'll see you next time. Bye.